Hi guys, my name is Hannah and I'm in Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and I made a little Kirby. It doesn't exactly look like Kirby because it looks evil at the moment. Also, my friend Zaisha is here.
Hey guys, so one update on the Finch lesson. I made red, green, blue, purple/pink, yellow, white, orange, and now I'm making tangerine, and it looks like this, and it's really cool, and I hope that helped with the color options for yours.
Hey guys, my name is Hannah and I'm in Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and you may recognize this from the first time I've ever made a video on Tinkercad. It's my panda, and it took me a lot of remembering, but it's finally here, the video where I show my little orange panda named Carrot.
I'm Anna from Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and using the Finch Scratch, I was able to make a remote, and I have colors like red, green, blue, green, pink, yellow, and purple. And for random, I have it flash a bunch, flash different colors, and yeah, bye.
And I made this little gardener. I just made out a bunch of circles and kind of like pointy circles and stuff. So yeah.
It's Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be showing you this cool pineapple that I made. So what I did was I went into basic shapes and got out the spear for the bottom that you can barely see to put the cones on, which is also in basic shapes. And then I duplicated them and put them where I wanted them. And then I went to scribble, which is also in basic shapes, and made the leaves. And I grouped them and grabbed out a box from basic shapes and put it underneath and made it whole. And I made it as big as I wanted it, then I grouped it so that it could have a flat bottom. And that's how I made it.
Hi guys, my name is Hannah and I'm from Mr. Herman's 4th hour class. And you may recognize this lovely gentleman. It's Mario, Luigi, the little mushroom guy. Toad, yeah, whatever, Mackenzie. And then I kind of like did that so they could hold stuff if I print them. And I made them like the Italian flag.
Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie, and as you know, I have already made a video about my cool emoji. So this is what the cool emoji looks like when it is printed, and I had it printed blue. So when it is printed, it has a hole at the top, just like it does in the actual Tinkercad. And once you've printed it, you can hang it on a keychain or your backpack, and it's really cool. Like, the glasses are on point. It's so cool. Thank you, Mr. Herman, for printing this. Alright, everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you this house that I've been making. It is a 2-story, and it's really cool, and I want to show you the bunk beds and how I made the vanity. So the bottom looks like this. It has a couch and 2 ottomans, and I already showed this, but I changed the color and added a desk back here, and it's really cool. The top is with a bunk bed, and the R and the D stand for Reese, who sits next to me. She did a bunch of the ideas and stuff, so that's what's the letters about, and there's stairs right there. And then what I'm going to do with the desk is I'm going to make it a vanity. For people who don't know what a vanity is, it's like where you put makeup and stuff, so me and Reese thought it would be a good idea if I made that. And so I'm going to make it a mirror. This is going to be a mirror, this red thing. I'm going to make it back here, and it's going to be clear, and I made this lamp already. And I think it's really cool, and I have the desk, and I'm going to make a chair and a carpet. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Mackenzie Morales. I'm in Mr. Herman's 4th hour class. Now there's the saying, home sweet home. So I made a home. So this is the back of the house, and it has a home sign in the front. So what I did was I just went into basic shapes for the heart, and then if you go up and into all, you will find the house that I used, which is on page 1. They are still in all, except now I am on page 4, and you will find the snowflake that I used for the back of the house. And then for the door, all I did was grab the box, make it look like a rectangle, made it whole, and grouped it all together.
This is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. And I made a super cute little squishy guy. I'm going to send it to Mr. Harmon so he can print it, hopefully.
Now you step back so they can see it, and then just below. You won't.
He's gonna spell it wrong.
My name is Hannah, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. And so I finished the house, but I'm gonna make a couple videos on it. And I did Mackenzie's spot, which looks kind of a bit like mine, except the colors are different. Like,
I really like pink and purple.
Here, so yeah. So I made the thing pink instead of the purple, and I made her bed pink and her pillow white. I made her bathtub a nice light purple like hers is in her house. And I had windows, of course, because you need to look out sometimes. I don't need to breathe. Harmon's 4th hour class, and I made Home Star Runner. That amazing guy. So I made his twirly whirly hat thing up there, the star on his red shirt.
Hey guys! I'm Mackenzie Morales, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool Tinkercad that I made. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and today I'm going to be showing you this cool phone that I made with text messages. So what I did was I grabbed the box for the outside, the inside, and then I used the spear and put it there, made it white, and then I turned the spear full to make the hole. And then I went to all, and I scrolled to, it is on page 2 for the text talk bubble, and I just made them smaller. And then that's in the all, and it is on page 2. And then I went to text and numbers, and I used the text for the actual text.
My name is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. I just made a video on that, and one of the phones died on me when I was making this video, so I had to restart it. So the stairs lead up to this very last 4th part of a 4-story house. Now right here is like where I could paint, and over here is where Mackenzie in her room can either record me like she's now, or sing, or whatever she wants to do. There's a window where I can look out so I can paint pictures of scenery. I'm really high up. And you can go back down, go through her room, go through my room to go down back to the kitchen, and that. So that concludes the very last video about my nature.
Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie, and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. And today I'm here with Hannah, who's working on Tinkercad. So today I'm going to be showing you this cool little box that Mr. Harmon made and printed. So this box opens and it closes, and Mr. Harmon made it. And here he is.
Busted.
I think it's really cool how the box opens and closes, and just how he made it. And he made it pink for me and printed it, and it's really cool. Alright, have a nice day. Bye! Hannah, say bye.
Bye.
Our first
trip to Pigeon Creek. Bailey is just loving all the green. Rain or shine, right, puppy dog? You ready for a walk? Pavement or path? We're picking the path. Learning how to tightrope walk, big girl? What are you doing climbing up on those trees? You better not slip and fall. Good job, puppy.